Which one of these is easier for you to read? I've got a young friend in my life who has difficulty reading. Whenever I set them down and I showed them the difference between these two, they weren't able to read the one that was in the regular type font, but the one that is in this special font, which is a font made for people who have dyslexia, they were able to read it fast, and they said that they were able to understand it better. So today I'm going to show you how to set that up as a web browser extension so that you can make the web accessible if this type font is easier for you to read. All right, so I am here in Edge. It's available on Edge, Firefox, Chrome, all of the major ones. This was created by somebody named Abby Gonzalez, who made it free and open source for everybody. All right, I am going to download this font, and in this case, I'm not going to be donating. Let's see, and I am going to download the very top item, which is the newest version of it right there. And this is going to let me install it on this computer so that I can use the font in things like Microsoft Word and such. But the add-on, just search for add-on OpenDyslexic and then open it up, grab it, get it, add the extension. It's going to populate. There it goes. I'm going to close, and then I'm going to click here on my browser and I'm going to pin it right there. And then I'm going to turn it on. Saved, and now if I go to txtechnician.com, there it goes. Check it out. All at the top. It's looking good. We'll scroll down. Boom. So readable. I kind of like it. It's funky. Like I can read it, and I don't know. I might change my website over to this for a little bit. Okay. Let us go to our downloads folder where we just downloaded this, and we are going to extract all. I guess I'll just click there, extract, and there we go. So now I'm going to open this, and I'm going to go down to the compiled folder, just like so, and we're going to search by type. These are different types of files. WOFF, that's like used for putting it on the web, and we are looking for OTF, Open Type Font File. Okay, that's what these are right here. And I'm going to put this in the side right there. And over here, I want to open up my settings. So we're going to go in settings. Okay. And, oh, sorry guys. There we go. Our settings. Right there. And we are going to look for fonts. And font settings, there we go. All right, we can just drag and drop these over. Remember, it's only the open type font files that we want. So I'm pressing Control and clicking multiple times to grab all of them. And then I'm just going to drag and drop. There they go. All right, so this is now installed on Windows, and you're able to use it in operating or in software like your word processor to be able to, make pretty little fonts that you wanted to have. But if you want to install it as a system-wide thing, it's not that simple, unfortunately. On Microsoft, in order to get your system font to change over, you have to make a registry edit. So if you want to be able to have it accessible the way that I have it here, where you see all of these different fonts, you have to go through and make a registry edit like so. And I'm going to put this up on a blog to show you all how to do it. Whereas if you're on Linux, you could just go to fonts, click on the font that you want, click on OK, click on apply, and then it will change everything. Now you can see that all of my system fonts have switched over to that type font. Yeah, it's a nice little deal. So hopefully this helped out somebody, and like, hey man, if you can afford it and you find that useful, kick Miss Gonzalez a few bucks, because that's pretty cool. And there she is. Yeah. Hey, hope this helps. Y'all have a great day.